Hi there, guys and gals. This is Jeb Adams, and I'm here in the restoration studio again with our wonderful friend, Carl, the Singer 431G convertible. And there's the motor we were working on yesterday. It's on hold for now. There's some hook stuff and some upper tension stuff. There's some clean cam stack discs in there that I may put together. I don't know if I'll do it in this video. But what I have here is I have a page out of the 503 maintenance manual. I also have a 401 maintenance manual here, and they're pretty similar, especially when it comes to the hand wheel. Well, no, the 500 is a little different, I guess. But maybe I should be looking at the other one. But anyway, what we have is I have some soapy water. I'm not going to use crud cutter because this is all kind of painted on stuff. I'm sure the Tectonite bearing would handle the crud cutter, but I don't necessarily need it. That would take the crud cutter, and so would the screw, but they've been cleaned already with oil and that anyway. So all that really needs to be cleaned is that, which is going to be an aside. What we're going to concentrate on today is the exciting adventure of taking this apart. And so I'm just going to get these other parts out of the way for now. I'll put them in this little bag, and I'll set them off to the side. Okay, I did get a new tool in the summer. Oh geez, I guess I should hide the brand name. There we go. Easy Shift Snap Ring Pliers. And I've never had a set of these before, but I thought I might need them for this snap ring. So I'm just going to try that. Seems pretty loose actually on the, I don't think they're on there correctly, but anyway. So that's come off a bit. See right there? So I'm going to put this back on again. Does it go on that way? Or does it go on that way? I don't know how. Oh, I'll have to figure it out later. Anyway. There. I was able to rotate it and it came off. So we'll just put that there. Okay, so that's the inside. A little bit of grunge down there, or gunk or varnish or whatever. There's the outside, definitely some gunk on there. So we'll put that over there too. Then we have this. And I think I'm gonna go see how that goes into that hole there. And then there's this one that's upturned, and it must go into this hole here. But anyway, so we've got that, we've got the lock washer, we've got the Tectonite bearing, we've got this spring of some sort, I'll call that a spring of some sort. And then we have the hand wheel. So I'm just going to go over that again. There's the spring that was in there. There's the hole there that goes like that. And then there's this upturned nib there that goes right in there. Like that. And we don't have that on right now. Oh, it goes down further. But anyway, so that's how that comes apart. I like doing this. This is the first time I've done this. I've never taken this apart before. So it's a really cool adventure. So anyway, into the bath they go. All of them. And I'm gonna get a brush. Like this even. I'm going to let those swim around and soak in the water. I'm going to get this brush. And give this some soap and water. Oh yeah, we'll put it in there and get nice and soapy and wet. I do enjoy getting right down to the nuts and bolts here and cleaning this far. I mean, they've made it this far, like since the 60s, with some of them have made it this far with very little care or very adverse care. So with a little bit of, sprucing up, but if nothing else, getting right down into the hand wheel, it's a great way to learn how to restore. And like I say, this is the first time I've ever done this. A lot of the stuff I do here is first time stuff for me, Whereas I have some liquid detergent here as well. There. I will just give it a rub-a-dub-dub with the liquid detergent. That's what I'm rubbing it with. Give it some more scrubbing. See if I loosen up any other parts in those gear teeth there. That's really what I'm trying to do. And it may be a case, like some of these parts I have to wash them 2 or 3 times. And that's okay too. That's what they need, and that's what they get. But I like using dishwashing liquid and water because dishwashing liquid it's very effective, but at the same time it's somewhat gentle. So now before I put that in the rinse, I'm going to take a paper towel out of the waste paper basket and just towel dry it first. Wipe it off. See if there's still difficult parts that have to be further cleaning. Those teeth are going to, oh yeah, there's, you know, it's still going to have to be washed. But this is my process for doing stuff like this. Because I am so new at restoring, that I'm still developing some good work processes, some good work habits. Where's a toothbrush? I've got like 50 million of them around here. I really need to clean some. They're easy to clean. The toothbrushes are really easy to clean. Just in the sink with dishwashing liquid and hot water, and they come clean really quick. I'm glad I got this brush at least. I can get on these teeth now, somewhat anyway. Oh yeah, the brush is good because it really allows me to get in there and more dishwashing liquid. Yeah, the glory and glamour of restoration. So there we go with the soap and water. I will wash that separately. I guess I could do it right now, but well, wait, I want to get these parts done for now. That can go in there. How'd these guys do? Now I need to get a cleaner towel so I can see the stains that are coming off my mechanical compadres here. There. And then you know what's next, right? The blow dryer. I'm going to stop there. Please like and subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Ciao for now, my friends.